We have all seen the random AI clips, the melting faces and the floating hands, but random clips don't build a following serialized stories too. This is the year solo creators are turning AI drama channels into full-time revenue streams. Imagine having a consistent cast of characters and cinematic world that stays locked in frame after frame. No more AI hallucinations, just pure, scalable storytelling that keeps people hitting follow to see the next opposite. To do that, you need a professional-grade production pipeline. I'm breaking down the exact solo studio workflow I used Pippit, powered by Dreamina Seedance 2.0 engine to build a narrative series from scratch. Let's get into it. The biggest hurdle in AI videos has always been the look. If it looks like plastic, the audience checks out. Pippit is powered by the Dreamina Seedance 2.0 engine, and the difference is in the physics and textures. Look at the skin micro details and how the light hits the environment in these skins. This isn't just a filter, it's high fidelity generation that eliminates that artificial sheen. It gives you content that cinematic texture needed for a professional story channel.
The digital backups aren't, David. It's not over. It's just starting.
If your protagonist changes faces every skin, you don't have a story. You just have a slideshow. This is where most creators fail. Pippit's global character management lets you lock character DNA. Once I've defined my lead, she stays consistent across the entire series, whether she's in a rainy street or a high-tech lab. No more face swapping headaches. This is the secret to building a recognizable brand and a loyal audience. Efficiency is everything when you're a solo creator. I have a long-form story here, and instead of manual prompting for every frame, I'm using the drama agent workflow. I can feed in a massive script and Pippit breaks it down into a structured multi-episode outline instantly. It identifies skills such as framing and organizes the story logic. Whether you use the video generation tool directly or the drama agent for structure, you aren't just generating, you're directing.
Beautiful, as always.
The flowers or me?
You. The flowers are just decoration.
Let's get practical. I want to show you exactly how I built a specific skin for an AI drama. For this use case, we are focusing on atmospheric consistency and the lighting. To get that high fidelity Dreamina Seedance 2.0 look, the prompt structure is the key. You need to define the environment and camera movement to guide the engine. Now I'm prompting for a gritty 15-second revenge skin set in a dimly lit dive bar. My prompt basically tells the engine to focus on the character sitting in a shot booth, tracking the camera closer as they locked eyes on their target. I'm focusing heavily on the rain-soaked leather jacket with consistent character DNA lock. This isn't just a random generation. It's a controlled, multi-skin workflow where the character remains identical from the wide shot to close-up. Why does this format matter? Because creators are using AI drama content to start high-gross niche channels right now. You don't need a team of animators or Hollywood budget to build a massive digital presence. Creating your own dedicated video channels is now a wide-open lane. In just a single weekend, you can build a polished, scroll-stopping series, giving you the exact high-end content you need to launch a brand new channel that stands out instantly and looks fully professional. The barrier to entry for high-end storytelling just collapsed. You don't need a studio, you need a workflow. If you want to create your own AI comic series or drama channel, just stop creating random clips and start building a world. Experience the next era of creation for yourself. You can get free credits on Pippit every day to start your series. Check the link in the description and let's get creating. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next videos.